People, don't believe everything that they are saying that artists sell them soul and join Illuminati and Freemason. I am not saying that they are not artists who do these things. But what I am saying is not everything that they are saying is true. Some of these things are lies. I'm going to use myself as an example. When I was living in the city of Bern, Switzerland, I was passing a jewelry store one day. I saw a ring and a chaparita inside that I like. I went inside and I bought them. Then I went to Jamaica to do a music video for my song So Nice, and I wear the ring in the video. And when the video cut up and edit up, upload on YouTube, I went there to check the comments. Now, people couldn't see the ring properly in the video. They only can glimpse it because of how the picture was changing fast in the video. Now, them start to judgment me. And a bonfire, oh, Shocking Murray, you sell out. You join Illuminati, you join Freemason. A Freemason ring that, what kind of ring that you have on your finger? Illuminati ring, and a beer fire them a bun for me. See the ring, ya people. See it, ya? This ring. Whole of money me pay for the ring in Switzerland. And a this ring them a bun me out. So me a wear Freemason ring. And then see me with my ring and know me get my ring. You know see it? I mean, I have nothing to do with them thing there. So now everything you hear, you have to believe. Remember me telling you that. Me, Shocking Murray said that.